The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 inches router 2838-20 is a cordless powerhouse designed for professional carpenters and remodelers. Boasting a robust 2.25 peak horsepower brushless motor, it effortlessly tackles challenging hardwoods. Equipped with RedLink Plus technology, the router ensures motor protection against overload and overheating. Its ergonomic design, featuring a soft grip handle, prioritizes user comfort. The variable speed trigger, plunge base, and dust collection port enhance control and functionality. Ideal for professional woodworkers seeking power, versatility, and ease of use, the M18 Fuel 1/2 inches router stands out as a reliable and efficient choice. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 16-gauge straight-finish nailer is a trim work powerhouse, offering exceptional performance for precise and efficient nailing. Featuring a brushless motor, it effortlessly handles tough hardwoods, ensuring jam-free operation. Micro adjustments for nail depth and a selective actuation trigger provide control and versatility. With RedLink Plus intelligence for optimized battery usage, this nailer keeps you working without frequent recharging. The ergonomic design, including a lightweight build and soft grip handle, enhances comfort during extended use. Safety features like dry fire lockout and tool-free depth adjustment add convenience. The Milwaukee M12 brushless 2 inches planer stands out as a compact and powerful cordless tool for precise wood trimming and shaping. With its brushless motor running at 14,500 RPMs and dual carbide blades, it ensures efficient material removal with minimal tear-out. The 2 inches wide shoe, along with 21 depth settings, offers versatility for various trim materials and thicknesses. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, it provides easy maneuverability and reduced fatigue during extended use. The inclusion of features like a dual-sided shavings port, universal hose adapter, and on-tool blade storage enhances convenience and user-friendliness. With a lockable kickstand, integrated battery fuel gauge, and a 5-year limited power tool warranty, this planer is a reliable choice for those seeking a portable and efficient solution for woodworking tasks. The Milescraft Shelf Jig proves to be a valuable tool for precision in drilling shelf pin holes for cabinets. Crafted from durable plastic, its clear body ensures visibility during the drilling process. The jig accommodates both 1/4-inch and 5 mm holes with a standard 32 mm spacing, catering to a variety of cabinet hardware. Featuring an indexing pin, it facilitates easy repositioning for drilling multiple rows of holes. The inclusion of 2 drill bits, a storage compartment, and a removable edge guide enhances its functionality and convenience. This shelf jig, capable of drilling up to 7 holes simultaneously, stands out as an accurate, user-friendly, and cost-effective solution for woodworking projects. The Sacker Wood Router Slotting Locator stands out as a versatile and precise woodworking tool, offering a dual functionality with its slotted base and fastening bracket guide. Woodworkers, both beginners and experienced craftsmen, benefit from its user-friendly design and capability for creating accurately aligned slots for shelf pins, biscuit joints, dowel holes, and cam lock fittings. The inclusion of specialized 1/4 inches mill bits ensures clean and concealed grooves, making it ideal for projects that demand invisible joints such as cabinet making and furniture construction. The Trend 9 feet AnyDoor butt hinge template kit emerges as a valuable tool for woodworkers, offering a versatile solution for quickly and precisely recessing square and radius hinges in timber doors and frames. With compatibility for doors up to 9 feet high and 1 3/8 inches to 2.5 inches thick. The kit provides a comprehensive set of components, including a main body with a sliding hinge stop, adjustable hinge depth plates, a radius hinge adapter, and additional accessories. Crafted from high-quality materials, this kit prioritizes durability and ease of use, making it suitable for both professional and DIY woodworkers. The Sacker Expandable Hole Locator Cabinet Hardware Jig proves to be a valuable tool for precise and efficient installation of cabinet hardware. Its standout features include expandability, allowing adjustment for varying mounting distances between handles, ensuring versatility across different cabinet hardware applications. The jig's emphasis on precise punching eliminates the need for individual measurements and markings for each hole, promoting time saving and preventing errors. Additionally, the tool's adjustability caters to different thicknesses of cabinet doors and drawers, enhancing its usability in various scenarios. The HEIZO Woodworking Bench Vise stands out as a versatile and durable tool suitable for a range of applications, including woodworking, metalworking, cutting conduit, and drilling. Its clamp-on design allows for convenient attachment to a workbench or table, ensuring stability during various tasks. The vise features a quick adjustment mechanism, simplifying the process of setting the jaw opening to the desired size. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this vise is built for longevity, offering a jaw opening of up to 4.5 inches and a throat depth of 2.5 inches. The machined anvil surface ensures a smooth finish, preventing damage to workpieces. The GreatNeck 18-inch precision bar clamps offer a convenient and reliable solution for woodworking, carpentry, and various projects. This two-pack of adjustable bar clamps features an 18-inch length, providing ample clamping capacity for a range of project sizes. The twist-locking mechanism simplifies the application and release of clamping pressure, enhancing user convenience. With rubber jaws, these clamps are designed to protect your work from potential damage during clamping. The durable steel construction ensures longevity and the ability to withstand heavy use. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or engaged in carpentry projects, the GreatNeck 18-inch precision bar clamps deliver versatility and affordability, making them a practical choice for your tool collection. The TOOLMAK Carpenter Square is a versatile and practical tool designed to assist carpenters in various tasks. With its 7-inch aluminum construction, this triangle square offers functionality for marking 90-degree and 45-degree angles, making it ideal for precise measurements and square cuts. The square's ruler allows for measuring and marking lines of different lengths, adding to its versatility. Additionally, the built-in level enables users to check the levelness of surfaces, ensuring accuracy in carpentry work. The TOOLMAK Carpenter Square is also equipped for scribing lines, providing a reliable method for marking surfaces. The inclusion of 2 carpenter pencils, a steel rule, and other layout tools enhances its utility for carpenters, whether professionals or DIY enthusiasts. The Bevel block gauge, constructed from durable aluminum alloy, is an indispensable tool in woodworking, offering accuracy and versatility. Featuring a precisely machined 90-degree base, an adjustable sliding blade for customized angles, and a protractor with common angle markings, it facilitates tasks like transferring and checking angles with ease. Its markings for dovetail angles further enhance its utility. Woodworkers benefit from its accuracy, adaptability across various projects, and straightforward operation, making the Bevel block gauge a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. The Arbortech TURBOPlane blade is a powerful and versatile wood shaping tool designed for use with standard 100 mm or 115 mm grinders. Crafted from durable tungsten carbide, this blade excels in shaping various wood types, including hardwoods and softwoods. Its sharpness ensures efficient and quick wood cutting, making it an excellent choice for creating different shapes, profiles, and finishes. The TURBOPlane is compatible with guides and templates for precise and accurate woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, the Arbortech TURBOPlane adds valuable versatility to your toolkit. The Arbortech Ball Gouge is a versatile and efficient attachment for angle grinders, designed to hollow out small concave surfaces in woodworking projects. Featuring a 30mm ball-shaped head, it allows for smooth and controlled material removal, making it particularly popular among spoon carvers and woodworkers creating bowls. With the ability to handle speeds up to 12,000 revolutions per minute, this tool is fast and effective for carving and shaping wood. Compatible with most 4 inches and 4.5 inches angle grinders, the Arbortech ball gouge is a versatile addition to any workshop. Its safe and easy-to-use design, along with durable construction, ensures long-lasting performance. The Makita Xpk 1Z 18 volts LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 314-inch planer is a versatile and powerful tool for woodworking tasks. With a 314-inch planing width and the ability to remove up to 564-inch of material in a single pass, it provides efficiency and precision. The 2-blade cutter head with double-edged carbide blades ensures a smooth finish on various surfaces. Powered by an 18 VLXT lithium-ion battery, it offers a balance of runtime and fast charging. User-friendly features like the depth adjustment knob, lock-on button, and dust collection port enhance its usability. The Capro Post Right post level is a highly versatile tool designed for leveling posts, pipes, and signs. Its unique collapsible design allows for convenient storage and transport, either by folding it closed like a book or spreading it flat. This feature also enables usage in tight spaces, enhancing its adaptability. The post level is equipped with 3 brightly colored vials, including 2 horizontal and 1 vertical, providing clear and accurate readings. Its strong magnet ensures secure placement on metal surfaces, and the included strap allows for easy and reliable attachment to posts or pipes. With its durability, ease of use, and lifetime warranty, the Capro Post Right post level is an excellent choice for various leveling applications. The Blum Quick Fix drilling gauge is an invaluable tool for precise hinge and mounting plate positioning and cabinet making. Its simplicity makes it accessible for DIY enthusiasts, ensuring accurate drilling locations on both the door and cabinet body. The gauge's versatility covers various Blum hinge and mounting plate systems, enhancing its utility for cabinet makers. The adjustable stop allows customization for drilling depth, and its sturdy construction ensures durability. For those seeking a reliable and user-friendly solution to achieve professional results in cabinet installations, the Blum Quick Fix drilling gauge is an excellent choice. The Capro Flex sander is a highly adaptable hand sander designed for precision in sanding corners, narrow spaces, grooves, and intricate spots on flat or curved surfaces. Its standout feature is the adjustable wings, allowing users to set various angles for sanding different shapes. The flexible base conforms to the workpiece's shape, facilitating access to hard-to-reach areas. With a hook and loop sanding pad, changing sandpaper becomes a seamless process. The inclusion of a dust extraction port ensures a clean workspace, and its lightweight, compact design enhances ease of handling and maneuverability. The folding triangle ruler Speed Square is a versatile woodworking tool with a range of functions. Its built-in square facilitates drawing precise 90-degree angles, while the goniometer allows for drawing parallel lines at various angles. With both metric and imperial scales, it serves as a reliable tool for measuring distances. The ruler's center point finder aids in marking the midpoint of boards or objects, and its built-in square is useful for checking surface squareness. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the foldable and lightweight design ensures easy storage and portability. The ruler's accuracy, ease of use, and portability make it an ideal choice for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. Adjustable round hole saw tools are essential woodworking instruments, offering the flexibility to drill holes of varying diameters with a single, adaptable tool. Typically featuring a central mandrel and pivotable arms, these tools easily adjust the cutting diameter with an attached hole saw blade that is rotated using a power drill. Their key advantages include versatility in cutting a wide range of hole sizes, compact and convenient storage compared to fixed-size saws, and cost-effectiveness by replacing the need for multiple tools. While providing accurate cuts on diverse materials, including wood, plywood, drywall, plastic, and certain metals, considerations about durability and precision in heavy-duty applications should be taken into account. The Fetcoi Woodworking Bench Vise is a portable beechwood vise designed for diverse woodworking tasks. Crafted from high-quality beechwood, it ensures strength, impact resistance, and durability. Its functional design incorporates dual guide rods for smooth and precise jaw movement, 4 bench dogs for versatile clamping options, and 2 G-type fixing clips to secure it firmly to the workbench. With a quick-release handle, opening and closing the vise jaws is fast and easy. The vise's lightweight and compact design enhances portability around the workshop, making it an ideal choice for home woodworkers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Overall, this vise offers a versatile and affordable solution for a range of basic woodworking needs. The GOINGMAKE Bench Dog Clamp is a robust metal woodworking clamp with a formidable clamping force of up to 500 N, making it adept at securing even challenging workpieces during cutting, sanding, milling, and drilling tasks. Featuring a 3/4 inches bench dog hole, it accommodates standard workbenches and MFT tables, ensuring broad compatibility. The quick-release mechanism simplifies adjustments to clamping pressure, and the inclusion of protective pads prevents potential damage to the workpiece. This well-crafted and versatile clamp proves to be a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolbox, offering strength and ease of use. While it excels in most tasks, those requiring heightened versatility or suitability for tight spaces might consider exploring alternative options. The Rockler Dust Right 4 inches to 4 inches Ready Mount Blast Gate is a practical addition to woodworking shops, enhancing dust collection efficiency with its user-friendly features. Tailored for 4 inches hoses and tool ports, it provides precise airflow control, isolating tools when not in use. The Ready Mount design simplifies wall mounting with a built-in bracket, minimizing hose movement and eliminating the need for extra brackets. Featuring a self-cleaning mechanism, it prevents clogs by dislodging dust during gate operation, ensuring consistent performance. Constructed from durable high-impact plastic, this blast gate offers longevity and contributes to improved air quality by minimizing dust buildup. Despite a slightly higher cost compared to standard blast gates, its benefits in terms of convenience, durability, and enhanced airflow make it a worthwhile investment for woodworkers aiming to optimize their dust collection systems. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.